Hi dear children, how are you? I am one of your social studies teacher, Sajita. Today I will explain to you the pattern of exam which you are going to write. Before that, let us revise the lesson which we studied in our last class. Do you remember the name of our lesson? Yes, it was the wheel. Now let's study how the human beings invented the wheels. Do you know during which period the human beings invented wheel? It was during the New Stone Age. And it is said that the invention of wheel was also accidental. The early human beings may have noticed the logs of wood rolling down the slopes, and it gave them the idea to place heavy loads on top of logs like this. Okay, here in this first picture, we can see that a heavy load is placed on a log of wood or a roller. And the early man got this idea. It is said that he may have noticed logs of wood rolling down the slopes, and that thing gave him the idea to place heavy loads on top of logs of wood. And after some time, he placed several logs of wood together, or several logs together, and made a wooden frame. And this wooden frame is called sledge. And the sledge is said to be the first vehicle of human beings. And after making the sledge, that is by putting several logs together, he made a wooden frame like this and placed the logs, placed these heavy loads on top of this wooden frame. And this wooden frame is called sledge. The sledge was the first vehicle of human beings. Once again I explain, it is said that the early human beings noticed, they may have noticed logs of wood rolling down the slopes, and when they noticed that the logs of wood can roll, they placed heavy loads on it so that he could move it easily. And after some time, he put several logs together and made a wooden frame and placed his loads on top of the wooden frame. And this wooden frame is called sledge, and he used dogs to pull this sledge. The sledge was the first vehicle made by human beings. And first I told you that the wheel was invented during the New Stone Age. So if a question is asked to you that during which period the wheel was made or the wheel was invented, your answer should be it was in the New Stone Age. The next was the first vehicle made by human beings. It was sledge. Then after making sledge, the human beings combined the roller and the sledge together. This is roller and this is the sledge or the wooden frame they have made, and they combined both the sledge and roller together. And as time passed, then again they got another idea. They have cut out round discs from tree trunks like this. Here you can see that round discs have been cut out from this roller or log of wood, and they connected these round discs by using a long rod called axle. Okay, here you can see the axle. This is axle, and this axle is a long rod which connects the centers of these two round discs. And then the human beings understood that in this axle the wheels can move freely. Okay, then they combined both the sledge and these wheels together, and they made their first cart. Okay, so this is how the wheel helped the human beings to make a cart. So once again, here they combines the sledge and roller together. Then they cut out round pieces of wood from tree trunks, and these round pieces of discs were connected together by using a long rod called axle, and with the help of this axle they could move the wheels more freely. And when they placed the sledge on these wheels, they have understood that they can move the sledge more easier than by using this roller. Okay, so first they used to move the sledge by using roller. When they invented the wheel or round disc, and when they connected it by using the axle, they have understood that they can move the vehicle more easier with the help of this wheel than by using the roller. And it was how the first cart was invented. Okay, this is how the wheels. This is how the wheels helped the early man to invent their first cart. Now here again, what's the name of this vehicle used by the early man? This is the sledge. So the sledge was the first vehicle of human being, and they used to put their loads on top of the sledge, and they pulled it by using dogs. And what was a sledge? When they put several logs together, and they made a wooden frame. This is called sledge. This was the first vehicle of human beings, and the sledge was used before the invention of wheel. Then after that they invented the wheels. After cutting round discs from the tree trunks, they combined or joined it together by using axle. So what is an axle? Axle is a long rod which connects the center of two round discs so that the wheels could move more easily. And the axle, with the help of the axle, they have found that they could move the vehicle more easily. So this is the axle. And the invention of wheel is said to be the greatest invention of human beings. And later, the invention of wheel helped the human beings to make potter's wheel. Then what's the use of potter's wheel? Potter's wheel helps us to make clay pots. clay pots. Then why do we use clay pots? It's used for storing grains, and also we use it for different purposes in our daily activities. So the invention of wheel helped them to make the potter's wheel. It helped us to make clay pots. So it was also an important invention, the invention of potter's wheel. Then they invented another two machines also. One was the windmill. The windmill is like it's a machine which is like a giant fan. It is turned by using the wind, and by turning the fan with the help of the wind, we can create energy that can be used for different activities. So the invention of wheel helped to make the machine windmill. The next machine which was made was the spinning jenny. Do you know what is a spinning jenny? So the invention of wheel helped us to invent spinning jenny also. Or do you know what is spinning? What is the use of spinning jenny? It helps us to process the fibrous materials into thread. Okay, helps in making thread. And the windmill helps us to create, to generate energy. So these two are the two machines which were invented after the invention of wheel. So these are the two machines which helps us in various activities. These two things were invented after the invention of wheel. So the potter's wheel helps us to make clay pots. This windmill helps us to create energy, and the spinning jenny helps us to make thread. So all these inventions were made after the invention of wheel. Then can you name the wheel which is used to make clay pots? It is potter's wheel. And can you name the two machines which were invented after the invention of wheel? It was windmill and spinning jenny. Now I will explain to you the pattern of examination which you are going to write. See, you have to attend the multiple choice questions. Options will be given there. You have to choose the correct answer from there. So let us do some of the questions. First one, the first vehicle developed by human beings. Look here, three options are given: car, sledge, bullock cart. Three options are given. You have to select the correct one from this. The question is, the first vehicle developed by early human beings. Which was the first vehicle? First one, car. Was that car? No. Then second one, sledge. So our correct answer is sledge. Then you have to select the correct answer. Then second question, two animals domesticated by early human beings. Five options are given here. One is lion, then pig, fox, sheep and tiger. Lion is a wild animal. So, it is not a domesticated animal, So, that is not the answer. Next one, pig. Yes, pig was domesticated by early human beings. So, we will select the first, this pig. That is, we got the first answer. Then we have to select one more because in the question, two animals are asked. Next one, fox. Fox is not a domesticated animal. Then next comes sheep. The next one is tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. So, we will select the sheep. So, two animals domesticated by early human beings are pig and sheep. The next question, two animals which were used to carry loads. Giraffe, horse, goat, donkey. Giraffe is not used to carry loads. Then horse is there. Horses are used to carry loads. Then comes goat. We don't use goats to carry loads. The next one, donkey. So horses and donkeys were the two animals which were used to carry loads during the which were used to carry loads by the early human beings. Now, fourth question. The first metal invented by human beings. The first metal invented by human beings. So, when we studied the lesson, the wheel, I told you that the first metal invented by men were, it was not gold, then comes copper. Copper was the first metal invented by human beings. Then iron is there. So, gold, copper, iron, the answer is copper. And in that lesson, we studied that after the invention of copper, human beings began to make more stronger and better wheels by using the metal copper. So, the first metal invented by human beings were copper. Now here, filling the blanks. Here also, see, options are given. You have to read the question very well. After that, you have to check the options given. From that, you have to select the correct answer. Question is, with the advent of farming, early human beings became dash. In the option, nomads, settled farmers, hunters. Question, with the advent of farming, early human beings became dash. So, nomads is the first option. That's not the answer. Then comes settled farmers. That is the answer, settled farmers. That's to protect their farmland. They settled down near their fields. So, they became settled farmers. Now, next question. The first tools made up of early human beings were, then the answer, iron, stone, bone. The first tools made up of early human beings were iron, stone, bone. Iron is a metal. Then metals were discovered later. Then stone is there. Then comes bone. The first tools of the early human beings were made of stone. They used bones also, but the first tools were made up of stones. Now, the third question, human beings of the dash stone age invented the wheel. Human beings of the dash stone age invented the wheel. And the bracket, the options are old, new, middle. Then, which is the correct answer? New Stone Age. They invented it during the New Stone Age. Then the fourth question, the center of two round discs were connected by a long rod called dash. Options are axle, hammer, steel. Once again the question, the centers of two round discs were connected with a long rod called axle, hammer, steel. What is the answer? Axle. Axle is the answer. Now, sixth one, the Stone Age is divided into dash periods 3, 2, 4. The Stone Age is divided into dash periods 3, 2, 4. We have studied that the Stone Age has been divided into 3 periods. So, the answer is 3. The next question, the early humans took shelter in dash hotels, houses, caves. The early human beings, they took shelter in caves. So the answer is caves. So this is the model of the question which you have to write for your examination also. So questions will be given. In that options will be given. You have to read the question very well. Then you have to check the options given. By reading both the question and the options, you have to select the correct one and you have to write it. You are not writing, you have to touch the correct answer. And now 3 chapters are there. 3 chapters are there for your examination. We have already sent you the notes. You read the textbook also. You read all the 3 lessons very well and prepare for your examination. And best of luck for all of you. And once again, you read your textbook also. Then prepare well for your examination. Thank you.